Wase, let's be patient. Let's be patient. Form itajipa. Sijui umengoja yani, I don't know ni nini hiyo umengojea leo. Always be patient. Patience pays. Sindio? Patience pays. So, I don't know what you've been waiting for. I don't know what you've been praying for. I don't know what you've been asking for. From God, from your parents, from a company. Form itajipa. Hiyo ndio slogan. Form itaji. Kuna siku tu form itajipa. So patience pays. Always be patient. Always be patient, because if you hatuwezi kuwa patient, tuta end up losing a lot of things. Tuta end up losing our mental well-being, because we may want things if happen yani kwa haraka, lakini lazima tukue na subira. Kwa Kiswahili wanasema subira. Tumengoja. Sometime we pray, sometime our prayers are being answered instantly, sometime we need to wait. That duration of waiting is really hard, but form itajipa. At one point in life, form itajipa. Huyo mzee unatafuta, huyo mke unatafuta, hiyo kazi unatafuta, hiyo ofisi umeomba mzazi, hiyo support umeomba mzazi if you're a teenager. Anything that you prayed about, anything that you've been wishing to have, form itajipa. Hiyo tu ndio kitu naweza kuambia asubuhi ya leo. Yani form, no matter what in life, at one point lazima tu form itajipa. Au sio bwana? So just be patient, and for us wenye tuna believe in God, keep on trusting in God. Form lazima itajipa.